Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install 3-prong power cord and 4-prong power cord on an electric wrench. As you can see, the power cords are different. The first one has 3 wires, this one has 4 wires, and the plugs are different as well. Before buying a power cord for your wrench, take a look at your kitchen and see what plug you have for your wrench. And remember, the power cord does not come with an electric wrench, you need to buy it separately. Before installing the power cord, you need to remove an access cover. This is 3-wire cord and this is 4-wire cord. The power cord does come with a strain relief and you need to install it before connecting the power cord to the terminal block. When the strain relief is installed, now you can start fishing the power cord through the strain relief. When all 3 lower terminal screws removed from the terminal block, now you can start installing the wires. When the power cord is installed, now you can start tightening the screws on the strain relief. Start reinstalling the access cover. And now I'm gonna show you how to install 4-wire cord. When you install the strain relief and fished your power cord through the strain relief, you can start connecting the wires to the terminal block. The installation of the 4-wire wrench cord is very simple. Connect red wire to the red one, green wire to the green terminal screw, white to the white, and black to the black. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.